From the very start, Mennonite Aid Plan has had its roots in the Mennonite tradition of mutual aid.
It started more mutual aid than insurance, which is a Mennonite tradition. There's a scripture verse that we've had on our letterhead for many years: bear ye one another's burdens and so fulfill the law of Christ. And that's really the whole Mennonite mutual aid tradition.
The idea of mutual aid extends beyond its policyholders who face personal losses. Mutual aid extends to the wider Mennonite community and beyond.
The spirit of mutual aid is still alive in our organization.
Where its charter allows, Mennonite Aid Plan contributes directly to the community.
They're a nonprofit organization, so they can't just donate money to churches or anything, or just give things away. So what we have to do is find ways of doing things that will help Mennonite Aid Plan as well. And to that end, we have just recently started a scholarship program that we give 20 scholarships per semester. So essentially 40 a year at $500 a piece. So we're trying to do those things both to reach out and to find a way to give back to the people in our congregations.
A few years ago, we purchased a scoreboard for the athletic center at Fresno Pacific University. It was a large investment, large grant to the university. It keeps our names in front of them too, so that when those students graduate and buy a house, they might remember, saw that name on the scoreboard at Fresno Pacific.
We do have some programs within the organization that allows us to help people when they've had catastrophic losses.
For example, if there was a disaster in a community where there's a Mennonite church, and the Mennonite church wanted to jump in like most Mennonite churches do at MCC with disaster relief, we will give the church a grant to help them in that effort, along with their own funds.
In addition, Mennonite Aid Plan makes generous annual contributions to the Mennonite Central Committee and to the Mennonite Disaster Service. These two organizations bring principle into practice, coordinating relief efforts here in the U.S. and all around the world. Their programs bring food, water, education, health care, disaster relief, justice, and peace to areas most in need. Mennonite Aid Plan practices mutual aid as a core value, because Mennonite is not just part of our name. Mennonite Aid Plan is deeply committed to the tradition of service, not only to our policyholders, but to the broader Mennonite community and to the world.